Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beastleg72, as you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, before I start, I would like to say please subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe. You understand? And hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping. You understand? And let's get the video to more views and more likes. You understand? Because today it's crazy. It's gonna be a good day for you. It's gonna be a good day for everyone. You understand? So today I'm exposing my strategy. What do I mean, guys, by that? I'll be exposing how I identify my zones. Meaning I'll share everything with you, including the settings. I'll also be sharing how I identify my golden zone. How do I identify my zones? And I'll also be talking about this strategy as a whole. You understand? Why am I using this strategy? What's the reason behind me using this strategy? You understand? Like, I'll be sharing the whole information to you guys. So let's make sure this video gets to more views, guys. Share this video with your friends or trading friends. If you are losing, guys, if you are not profitable, I promise you, after watching this video, come back to me and tell me how has been your trading journey since you started watching this video or since you watched the video. Understand? So, guys, what will I be needing from you? It's a pen and a book. You understand? Somewhere whereby you'll be writing, because I don't know how long will this video be on this YouTube channel. You understand? So, guys, it's easy as ABC, as I always say. You understand? I'll be sharing everything once again, guys. Everything. You understand? So, one thing that you need to know, guys, number one, it's what do you need from your trading view. You understand? How does your trading view has to be? You understand? So it's easy, guys. One thing I'll be sharing, you just have to change. If your candlesticks are red and green, simply change those candlesticks in a different color, like a neutral color. Why is it a neutral color for you to be using? Because, guys, the red, it plays with your psychology. The red, obviously, we all know, whenever you are in reds or losses, guys, you just feel like you feel unease. You understand? You feel like unease. And whenever you're on profits, the blue color, you feel happy, even if it can be R1 on your MetaTrader. You understand? So same applies, guys, on your trading view. Whenever you see the red color, like, you are starting to panic. You understand? And then whenever you see the green color, you are starting to feel excited, or yes, it's going my direction, but you don't know how long will it be going your direction. You understand? So, guys, this applies to people who are starting trading journey, and this also applies to people who are already in the trading journey, who are finding their way or their path to the top. You understand? So it's simple, guys. You just have to change your candlesticks. Understand? So you just have to change your candlesticks, guys. It's very important for you to change your candlesticks. What you need to do, guys, you can see, guys, this thing was red. I changed it to do this color, guys. So you just have to be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this seventh one. Do you understand? Across everything here, guys, just set them like that, and then you move from this one and choose this blue. You understand? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You understand? Change those to blue and then just click this OK. Then your chart will just be like mine. You understand? So, guys, this strategy of mine, it has no name. You understand? But it only depends on your 50%. It's only about 50%. You understand? It's only about 50%, guys. It's only about 50%. So let's say, for example, guys, let me just use this. Let's say we have a demand here. You understand? Let's say we have a demand, and let's say we have a supply. You understand, guys? Let's say we have a demand and a supply. Obviously, guys, if maybe you are using an SMC strategy, most people on most SMC traders, you understand, they will be like, I'm waiting for the market to touch my demand and just take those buying opportunities to the top side. And let's say, guys, you missed this entry. Let's say you were at work or school and the market just came into your demand and pushed to the top side, and now you're asking yourself, yo, the market left me, I'm rushing the trade. Now you are taking unnecessary trades, and then you're starting to entering here, and then the market just comes back down and hit your stop loss. Now you are like, hey, me, I'm not profitable and stuff. You understand? So this strategy that I'm using, that's whereby it comes in. It comes to save you. It comes to make you profitable, guys, in a way. You understand? It comes to make you profitable. It comes to ensure you that born. This trading journey, it's yours. Take it with your both hands. You understand? So it's all about 50%, guys. It's all about 50%. So let's say, guys, I had let's say the market came to my demand, then the market left me, and now I'm late for the entry, and it only to find out the next supply for me to enter those selling opportunities. It will take me 3 to 5 days for the market to come push there, because the market doesn't just tap into your demand and go straight to your supply. You understand? It plays along on its way to the top. Impulses, corrections, impulses, corrections. So this strategy, that's whereby it comes in. It helps you to identify your 50%. You understand? Let's say we had a candlestick here. I'm just gonna use this box from that high there to that low here. You understand? And I can see that my 50% already, it's there. You understand? That's where by my zone is. So obviously, whenever the market comes, guys, whenever the market comes, let's say the market left me from the demand, obviously the market will just push to the top side, and obviously at some point on the smaller time frames, the market will just come to my 50%. Whenever it comes to my 50%, I am 100% sure that the market will go to the top side. You understand? It's like supply and demand. That 50% acts as your equilibrium, guys. You understand? It acts as your equilibrium. If you are still schooling and you are doing economics, you will understand me. You understand? It acts as your equilibrium. Your 50%, guys. You have your demand, you have your supply. Then there is always that equilibrium where the market intercepts. You understand? So that's how it works, guys. My strategy, it's all about 50%. Understand? I don't have a name for this strategy, but as time goes on, I'm sure, guys, you'll tell me what should I name this strategy. Understand? This is one of the best for myself, and it has worked out for me. I've been profitable for months. You understand? It's something that I did discover on my own. So we have this thing, guys. We also have this thing. So this is the thing that helps me to identify those zones. You understand? My 50%. That's why you always see me on my previous video just doing this on every point. You understand? I'll just show you how we are identifying. You understand? Those 50%. So what you need to know, guys, you always have to start on your weekly chart. So on your weekly chart, guys, on this strategy that I'm currently exposing, understand, on your weekly chart, what you need to do, you have to identify your lowest point, your current lowest point. Understand? On your weekly chart, identify your current lowest point, then identify your highest point, your current highest point. Then you always identify with your rectangle. Whatever that's inside your rectangle, that's what you are focusing. Whatever that happened before outside the rectangle, leave that alone. You understand? That's not your business. Your business is whatever that's inside that rectangle. You understand, guys? I don't want you to be confused. I'll keep things simple as I can. You understand? I'll keep things simple as I can. You understand? So one thing you also need to know, guys, once you are done identifying your lowest and your highest point on your weekly chart, you identify those zones. You understand? If you want to keep the rectangle, let's say, let me just use the rectangle. Let's say you use the rectangle and the candlesticks are inside here. You can use your box, guys, to identify until every candlestick is identified or inside this rectangle. Then you simply move to your daily chart. On your daily chart, guys, one thing that you need to be aware of, you need to know your market structure. What is a market structure? Your market structure, guys, it's your trend. You understand? It's your trend, guys. You have to know whether you are in a downtrend or you are in an uptrend, because that's very important, especially when you'll be using the Fibonacci. Whenever you'll be using that golden zone, you have to know your market structure, because you don't have to afford to be on a losing streak, guys. Because if you use your golden zone in a wrong way, you'll get a wrong confirmation entry and you lose the money due to the fact that you couldn't identify your market structure. So you really have to know your market structure. For those who are not knowing what I'm talking about, guys, a market structure is your trend. You understand? it is your trend. You have to know your trend, guys. You have to know your trend. So it's simply you knowing your trend, meaning higher highs, higher lows, and it's simply you knowing your downtrend. It's your lower highs and your lower lows. You understand? You have to know your trend line, guys. And then we have what we call a change of character. A change of character, it's very important for you to also identify. You can identify your change of character by using a trend line. Whenever you see the market breaking your trend line and coming back to retest on your zone or on your trend line as a retest, then you know that the market is no longer on its downtrend. It's now turning into a what? Into a bullish trend. It's going to the top side. You understand? So let's say you have a downtrend, guys. Let's say you have a downtrend. You know, a downtrend consists of lower highs and lower lows. You understand? Then the market just decides to break. You understand? The market just decides to break. Why is it that the market is breaking? The market is breaking these, guys. The market is breaking this previous high. Once the market breaks this previous high, you just have to now use your golden zone. How are you using your golden zone? You simply use your golden zone from this low here, the previous low, your lower low, you understand, to your new high, you understand, to your new high. This was your previous high. Now you have to use your what? Your golden zone to your new high. Always use it to your new high. Look, guys, look how brilliant it is. You understand? Look how brilliant it is. The market simply came into your golden zone. Once the market comes into your golden zone, guys, simple, go to your smaller time frames and identify another break of structure. A break of structure, let's say, guys, you did identify this on the higher time frame. Now on the 5-minute chart, you see something like this. Understand? There was this low, there was this high, the market break that high there. You see the market break this high. Now you have to again use your golden zone on a smaller time frame. That's whereby now you're gonna enter. So on the smaller time frame, you enter it from your lower low to that lower high. Understand? You can see the market came again. Then you are taking your entries, guys. You are taking your entries. Full strategy, guys. This thing works. You are taking your entries. That's what you need to do, guys. You understand? This is simple as it is, guys. Simple as ABC. Understand? Once you get this strategy, once you understand this thing, guys, you'll trade like I do. You'll kill those zones, guys. You'll ball now. You'll enter those sniper entries. You understand? Simple, guys. You don't have to confuse yourself. Now it's time for you to be profitable. You don't have to be on the losing side now. You have to be on the winning side. You understand? Once it works out for you, please, guys, come back and tell me how it went. You understand? Because I really need to be encouraged also. So what are you looking at now, guys? Since I identify these, guys, I'll just simply delete this, and then I'll talk about you only identifying the golden zone on your 4-hour. Why are you identifying the golden zone on your 4-hour? It's because your 4-hour, that's your highest time frame. You understand? That's your extreme time frame. Why am I saying it's an extreme time frame? Because whenever you are identifying that golden zone, guys, let me just do this. Let's say you had your low and your high. Let me just do that. These two red lines, these are your extreme zones, guys. Whenever the market comes here, you know you have to take those buying opportunities. But as I always say, you can't enter the market without any confirmation. You have to have that one thing that you are or only confirming with. I will also share what am I using to confirm my entries. You understand? So this is what you are using, guys, on your 4-hour time frame. You understand? And then on your 1 hour, you simply just wait for the market to come to your entry point. Wait for the market to come to your entry point. Then 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, those are just time frames for you to confirm your entries. Understand? You don't necessarily have to use 30 minutes, 15, 5, and 1 minute. Just end on 1 hour. You'll be fine. Understand? Because 30 minutes, 15, 5 minutes, 1 minute, it has too much noise. The market is noisy. You are seeing too many candlesticks that might even confuse you. You might even see false breakouts. You might see false things, you understand, due to you going to smaller time frames. You simply just have to stop on your 1 hour. Whenever the market comes to your entry point on your 1 hour, that's where by now you are going to the smaller time frames to look for your confirmation, to look for your entry point, to catch those sniper entries. Understand? So number one, guys, you go to your weekly chart, you identify your lowest, you identify your highest point, then use your rectangle that I showed you from your highest point to your lowest point. Whatever that's inside that rectangle, you simply use that box. I will show you guys. I'll also share the settings. Use that box to find those zones. After you have identified those zones, guys, you go to your daily chart. What are you looking for in your daily chart? You are looking for the market structure. You have to understand your structure. You have to identify your trend lines. You understand? We have a lot of trend lines, types of trend lines. You have descending, you have ascending, symmetric, you have a lot, guys. You understand? Then you go to your 4 hour. On your 4 hour, you simply identify your golden zones. How are you identifying it, guys? Also, your market structure goes in hand with your golden zone. If you are seeing that the market is still on its bullish, simply identify your golden zones from your higher lows to your higher highs. Understand? Then you'll find your extreme zone. Then go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, that's where by now you are waiting for the market to come to your golden zone. You understand? But then if you are scalping, I will show you the way on how to scalp using this strategy, but it will be a thing of another time. You understand? I don't want to confuse you. So now what will I be doing? I'll simply go to my let me just see, guys. Let's also talk about the things that I analyzed. You understand? You can see, guys, on the previous videos I showed you how I caught the sells, and you can see how it went, guys. We did hit TP. You can see the golden zone was used there. It made me to be on those buying selling opportunities. And we have gold. Gold never came to my golden zone. So if the market doesn't come to your golden zone, don't force any entries. Understand? Don't force anything. Don't force anything, guys. So you can see the market didn't come to my golden zone. As I always say, guys, I keep things real. You understand? You have to know this is not 100% thing whereby you'll always be winning or you'll always be getting entries. So you can see the market didn't come to my golden zone. Even if I can go to the 1 hour, guys, you can see the market never came into my golden zone. So I couldn't enter anything, guys. You understand? Instead, it came to this high there. If it comes to that high, let's see if I was gonna be able to find those entries. So from that high there to that low, you can even see, guys, the market never respected the golden zone. You understand? Because the market, you can even see for yourself, it doesn't make sense. What's happening here? I don't know. Understand? It's just bouncing and bouncing. So if I could go to USD CAD, let's see USD CAD. So USD CAD, guys, you can see the market did respect the golden zone, push to the top side, but I never got a confirmation for the entry point because there is high there. It was never broken. Understand? It was never broken. Instead, the market just came down and then it decided to break it now, currently. Understand? So as I always say, guys, you don't enter without any confirmation. You understand? So let me just let me not delete. Let me just go to which one? Let me just go to Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD, guys. And guys, don't forget it's the election days, so the market is not very 100% for you to trade it. You understand? It's very dangerous for you to trade the market. You have to just wait for next week, I guess. It's USD CAD, USD JPY, this one. So yeah, let me just use USD JPY as an example on how I use the strategy. Understand, guys? So let's see something. Let me just see something. So on my weekly chart, guys, as I said, you identify your lowest point. I have my lowest point. You can see this is my lowest point, guys. Understand? I don't care if the market didn't respect back then and stuff. No, this is not important. What's important are your zones. You understand? The real ones. And then I'll just identify my highest point. Understand? So step one, you identify your lowest point and your highest point, your current lowest point and your current highest point. Then for you to be not confused, you understand, just use a rectangle, guys. Just simply use this rectangle. Understand? Simply use this rectangle. So whatever that's inside, guys, whatever that's inside here, focus on that. Whatever that's inside, even if you can stretch it, guys, like whatever that's inside your lowest your lowest and your highest point. Focus on that, you understand? And then guys, what you need to do, always start identifying your zones using this box, guys, from the previous week. Never mind the current week because it hasn't closed yet. So on your previous week, we can see this one, this first candlestick. This is your current week. It started on Monday, you understand? And then it's gonna close on Friday, meaning next week Monday a new one is gonna be formed. So currently we are using the previous one, this second one, you understand? From the low here, guys, let me just zoom in. Let me show you guys. Let me just show you. As I said, I'm exposing how I do it, so you can also do it how I do it. You understand? So you are using it from this high there, where the candlestick started there, and then use it where the candlestick ends. You understand? So you can see, guys, you can see we have a zone there. Just simply use that there. Understand? Use that there. Then you come again to your next candlestick. You come again from that high there of that candlestick to this low on this candlestick. Then you simply use the zone again. Understand? Then again, guys, you do the same again from this point there to this low here on this candlestick. Like, measure the whole candlestick. We are looking for the 50% of the week. Understand? Of the week, because Monday to Friday we are looking for that 50% of that week. What happened that week, where the market did retest on that week, because I believe the market repeats its cycle. Understand? The market always repeats everything it does. You understand? And then you simply use it from this high there to that low. So you can see, guys, I identified it from this high there to that from this high there to that low, and it gave me a zone here. And then I took the same approach from this high there to that low. It gave me the same here. So you can see the market came here twice in a way. You understand? So this is not important for me, understand, anymore, because the market already respected that twice. You understand? So from that high there to that low here, understand? Then simply mark that 50% there. Understand? Then delete that. Then use this long candlestick, guys. Use this long candlestick. No, sorry about that. Use this long candlestick here from that high there to that low there. Understand? Then just use the zones there. Understand? As your 50%. Understand? I won't do everything, guys, but then that's how you identify it. So you can see, let me just use the current one here. Let me just use this blue one for me to know where the market is going now. Then from this high there to this low, then simply mark that zone there. Understand? Simply mark that zone there. Understand? So now currently, guys, I'll just end up here. Understand? But I showed you how I do it. So now you have to focus on your current. You can see the market respected this zone, and guess what? The market pushed to the top. Understand? And you can see the market respected this zone, the market pushed. You can see the market respected this zone, the market pushed. Understand? You can see the market respected this zone, the market pushed. You can see the market, guys, respected there, it pushed. Understand? So this is how it works. You can see guys, these zones are powerful. They are powerful. So currently mark your support, as I always do, guys. You have to know where you are currently and where you are going. You understand? So that's why I always identify my current support and my current resistance. So this strategy is all about 50%. It's all about support. It's all about trend lines. It's all about Fibonacci. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. So this is my current support. That is my current resistance. So I'm from here. Now I'm going there. Understand? I have to wait for the market to close or to touch there. So meaning on USD JPY, I am looking for my buying opportunities no matter what. The fact that I'm from this support and I'm going to that resistance, it tells me that I am going to my resistance, meaning I'm buying. you have to know, guys, that you have to know that you don't have to be confused, meaning there will be less selling opportunities and there will be long buying opportunities. You understand? So I also go to my daily chart. On my daily chart, I can see that the market is creating impulses, corrections. It's on its uptrend. You can see the market was on its high. It was on its impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. Now we have to wait a correction. We have to wait for a correction on this support, then wait for that long impulse. You understand? So as I said, on my daily, I always identify my trend. You understand? I am done identifying my market structure. That's why I was looking for those impulses and correction. So the trend line. A trend line, it's always drawn on your weeks. What do I mean by that? Weeks 1, 2. At these weeks, guys. A week is this thing here. You see this thing, guys. This is your week there. This is your week. You don't draw a trend line like this. No, don't do that. Because as you go to smaller time frames, look at that. As you go to smaller time frames, you see there's a candlestick, a full one. So you just have to be careful about that. Understand, guys? Just be careful about that, guys. I'm sharing everything. Let's share the channel for everyone to know, guys. If you know your friends or anyone that you know who's interested in trading, wants a strategy, this is the best way to go. Understand? This is the best way to go. This is the best way for you also to know, guys. You understand? So you can see I have my first and my second point. So your first 2 points, that's what creates a trend line. Then your third point, guys, whenever you have a third point, just know that third point acts as your reversal. Understand? Meaning if the market comes here and touch, I'm going to the top side. You understand? So you just have to connect your trend line from let me just do this. Just connect your trend line from there to guys, let me just do that again. Just connect your trend line from that high there to the low. Just connect on your weeks. Understand? Simply connect on your weeks, guys. Simply connect on your weeks. Understand? Then go to your 4 hour. You understand? Look how beautiful it is, guys. Look how beautiful it is. It's not about it being beautiful, but it's all about you knowing how you are able to use it. You understand? So you can see, let me just fix that there. Let me just delete it. Understand? You can see the market did break this zone, but it never came back and retested. You understand? So now it's a thing of me identifying my possible entry point. So I'll simply use my golden zone from the low here. This is my low. Understand? And I'll simply take it to the high there. Understand? So I can see my extreme zone is here. You can still use this tool, guys. This tool, it acts like it consists of many things. It can protect you on many things. Understand? It can protect you on many things. It can protect you on many things. You understand? So you simply have to wait for the market to just come, tap here, and move to the top side. You understand? But as your confirmation, you have to go to the smaller time frames. Understand? So this is your extreme zone for now. You understand? This is your extreme zone for now. You know, if the market doesn't respect the zone, the market is coming there. Understand? Simple. And you can see there is, for something, we had a what do we call? We have a previous high there. The market broke. Understand? For SMC traders, there was a break of structure. Now they are looking for their demand. Understand? They are looking for demand. Then for ICT traders, they are looking for their fair value gap and stuff. So we are looking for our golden zone. If you know the market won't come and respect here, just know the market is coming there. Once the market comes there, take those buying opportunities to the top side. You understand? So let's see, are we still on the right track? Are we still on the right track from that low there to the high there? Understand? We are still on the right track. You can see, guys, we are still on the right track. Understand? So now you are done. Simply done, guys. You are simply done. Understand? So let's also use it from there, from this high, from this low there, from that to that high. Understand? So the market can also come there, guys. Can also come there. Understand? If the market, you know, it's impossible for it to come. Let's say it's 3:30, like on the sessions. Let's say it's 9 London, or let's say it's 3:30 which is now, it's no longer 3:30, it's 4:30 for a New York session, and the market is on this zone. You don't have to be scared and be like, I'm waiting for the market to come there. No, just take those buying opportunities there and go. Understand? Because the best way is to trade on your sessions. Understand? So you can see the market also respected this 50%. Guys, this also acts as your 50% there. This line there, it acts as your 50%. You can see the market respected that. Understand? So as you go to there, you can see the market respected that 50% also. So this can also be used, guys, whenever it's a session. And you can see I think we have a head and shoulder and stuff. I see a pattern here. I see a pattern, guys. I see a pattern, but I won't be identifying such for now. And I see a double bottom here. Understand? So there is a lot that you need to look at. You understand? So now let me just share my settings, guys. Let me just share my settings. Let me just delete everything and then share my settings right there, guys. Understand? So this box at settings is like this, guys. Simply go to your trading view and fix everything. Look at my video and go to your trading view and fix everything. So you can see everything is switched off, and I only have this 50% here, and just allow your box to be black. You understand? Then switch off everything that you're currently seeing, your background, red labels and everything, and just on your time levels fix everything and just correct this 0 and 1 and allow everything to be black, and just make and just leave the background on, turn it on, guys, and then the color should be black, and just also click the OK button. Understand? Then regarding the Fibonacci on how to identify those golden zones, I'll also share everything. Just sorry about that. Just allow your charts to be like this, guys. You understand? Just be like this. You understand? You have your -2 there, you have your 1, like the way it is, guys. Leave 2 spaces here and go fix like the way exactly how it is. Don't take your 1 here or anything. No, do the way you see it. You understand? Adjust your settings the way you see mine. You understand? I don't want you to be like, this strategy is not working, hey, you are losing more. No, guys, fix everything. Look at my settings and fix everything. You understand? Look at how things are and just fix everything. You understand? These are your golden zones, these red lines here, these are your golden zones, your 0,705 and your 0,79. Understand? Turn everything off. Understand? Just allow your settings to be like exactly mine, so that whenever I'll be dropping the video, whatever that I'll be doing from now on, from the next video that I'll be uploading, you'll know what I'm doing. You won't ever be confused. You understand? So this is how I do it. If you don't know how to find those things, guys, simply take your trend lines, take your horizontals, take everything, guys. I'm sharing everything. Your fib is then the special box, you can find it here where your Fibonacci retracement is. Just go down and you'll see this box here. Understand? And then you'll just fix it, guys. That's what I'm using. There's nothing special about anything anymore. I've shared everything, guys, that I'm currently using. If you want to watch my old videos and see how this strategy worked and how profitable have I been since I started this YouTube channel, you'll simply go to the first video that I uploaded on my YouTube channel and just watch everything. You understand? Then you'll understand how I use the strategy. You understand how I identify everything if you don't understand me. But what's important is whatever tool that I'm using now, you have it. You understand? You just have to also apply it in your trading. You understand? So just adjust everything, guys. It's from me to you, guys. It's your one and only BSLEC72. As you all know me, your mentor. Don't forget to share, guys, the video for more people to know. You understand? Save people, guys. Let's save people from blowing accounts. Let's save people from being unprofitable, and let's allow everyone to be profitable. You understand? And just hit that notification bell, guys, to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next one. And also don't forget the most important thing, guys. Let's subscribe to the channel, and also let's share the channel to your friends or anyone that you know who's interested into trading. And also let's get the most likes. You understand? Let's like the video and comment below on your thoughts about this one. You understand? I wish you all the best, guys. I wish you all the best. From now on, you'll be on the same track as I am. You understand? You will no longer be confused. So it's your one and only Beast Like 72, as you all know me, your mentor. Thank you, guys. One love. Peace.